Copper CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. Copper CRM is a robust customer relationship management platform designed to seamlessly integrate with Google Workspace, offering a native user experience for businesses that already rely on Google tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, and Drive. This CRM is tailor-made for teams that need to streamline workflows and improve collaboration, particularly within sales, marketing, and customer support. Copper boasts a highly intuitive interface, automating repetitive tasks and offering deep insights into your pipeline, ensuring you stay on top of your deals and customer interactions. One of Copper's standout features is its ability to automate and customize workflows based on your specific needs. It allows users to create tailored pipelines for sales teams, track opportunities, and ensure that no lead is ever lost. For those using Google Workspace, the integration is smooth and efficient, pulling in data from emails, calendars, and documents without the need for third-party integrations. This creates a highly centralized system where everything is at your fingertips, whether you need to schedule a meeting, send an email, or view a client's contact history. Another key feature of Copper is its powerful reporting and analytics. The CRM provides detailed insights into your team's performance, sales trends, and customer behavior. It also has an easy-to-use dashboard that can be customized to suit your business's needs, offering real-time visibility into important metrics. The system's AI-powered insights further enhance decision-making, helping you identify opportunities, forecast sales, and improve overall business efficiency. Copper CRM is ideal for mid to large-sized businesses, especially those already embedded in the Google ecosystem. Its strengths lie in its tight integration with Google Workspace, automated workflows, and user-friendly interface. However, the pricing might be a drawback for smaller teams, as it tends to be on the more expensive side compared to other CRMs in the market. Additionally, while the CRM offers a lot of customization, it can be overwhelming for teams that are just getting started with CRM tools or those that prefer a simpler interface. In conclusion, Copper CRM is a powerful, feature-rich solution for businesses looking to boost efficiency and drive sales, especially if you're already using Google Workspace. If you're ready to invest in a CRM that can scale with your business and provide actionable insights, Copper is a great option. Just be aware that it might come with a steeper learning curve and a higher price tag.